Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the sticker light's required voltage and available power. This prevents damage. Once you have a 5V USB or correct battery, clean the area and peel the adhesive. Make sure the connector orientation matches the sticker's plus and minus markings. You should see tiny plated pads. Connect the plug gently, press to seat pins, and secure with tape if loose. This first connection establishes stable contact, which is why you avoid powering on prematurely. Once the initial plug is seated, you finalize wiring so the sticker stays lit reliably. If wires are exposed, solder quickly with light pressure or use snap-on connectors designed for thin tabs. This ensures low resistance contact. Make sure wires are routed to avoid bending the pads. Use a small dab of hot glue, heat shrink, or electrical tape for strain relief. Then power on briefly to confirm even illumination. If some LEDs are dim, recheck contacts and redo the connection. You finish by mounting the sticker light and verifying long-term reliability. Once done, press the adhesive firmly for 30 seconds and avoid flexing the strip. If you see flicker or sections off, power down and reseat connectors. Check for solder bridges or exposed wires causing a short. Make sure the power source provides correct voltage and polarity. If no light, test continuity with a multimeter. This one troubleshooting tip: recheck polarity and secure contacts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.